Come with me while I show you this 95 million naira duplex in Enugu. That place is the Third Road, so it's a mini drive from the Third Road. This one has been sold. It's in a mini estate, so you have your security post. That one is still available, so we'll be checking it out. Let's go. You can see it have a spacious compound. This can contain up to 4 cars. Let's go inside. This is your ante room, and you have a visitor's toilet and your sitting room. You see it's very big. This is the staircase. This is your kitchen. This is the first floor. You have 3 rooms here, including madam's room, and also there's a BQ downstairs. So this is madam's rooms with its own walking wardrobe and WC, plus a sit out right here, so you can look around. Nice view. Then this is the last floor. You have your cinema here and a mini lounge here. Then you have your master's bedroom with a walking wardrobe and a WC that can fit in your jacuzzi and a shower. Then this is the rooftop. You can see how lovely it is. It's accessible from the lounge that is connected to the master's bedroom. So if you like this property and you want to buy it, book for free inspection right now. Have a lovely day.